Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both files ready. Save and close the Excel. XLSX and confirm Revit has the schedule or shared parameter you will populate. Make sure naming matches exactly between Excel columns and Revit fields. This avoids mapping mistakes. Once done, open Revit and verify project units and parameter types match Excel data types so numbers and dates import correctly. These steps reduce errors later and let you proceed directly to establishing the actual data connection. You now use Dynamo to bridge Excel and Revit. Open Dynamo, create a new graph, and add file. From path to point to your closed. XLSX, then use Excel. Read from file nodes to pull sheets and ranges. Once you have lists, clean and convert types so Revit parameters match, use list, transpose, or list. Filter by bool mask as needed. Finally, collect target Revit elements and employ element. Set parameter by name to right values. This approach keeps the process repeatable and auditable. You finish by running the Dynamo graph and verifying values inside Revit schedules or element properties. If something is wrong, stop and inspect. Mismatched parameter types, blank cells, or differing naming are the usual culprits. Make sure Excel cells are formatted as text, number, or date to match Revit parameters, then rerun. Once correct, save the graph and consider using Dynamo Player or a scheduled task to automate updates, so future edits in Excel flow back into Revit reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.